Try to back up. What the fuck is... Dude, go right immediately. Just go right.
I can't.
Just floor it. Just go.
I'm scared.
Just go back up. Go fast. Go fast. Back up.
Okay.
Right here. Just go. Bust a U-turn. No. No, 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 no.
Damn.
You should just hit him.
No, I'm not gonna hit him.
Into the dawn.
Fraud. Drinking an outlaw song. Hard time, foolish pride, done me wrong. Flirting with the devil, getting right with the man. 8 men paint songs, one night stands. You can keep your picket fence fantasies and put a in your high school memories. This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country. And it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never spent a single night in jail, then get another job and I'll see you in hell. I'm crawling like a moth through the neon lights. I need a bucket of beer and someone to fight. Don't call yourself country if your music is shitty, or this Carolina boy will take you down to Fifth City. You know who you are, I ain't gonna name names. Just keep your hands off my country and go back from where you came. My country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country. And it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never done something you regret, well then I'm proud of you. Now get it. Nursery rhyme out of my face. Wintertime, springtime, summertime, autumn. Show me time to jukebox and yoke 'em if you got 'em on. Country like Johnny, country like Merle, country like Loretta, that honky tonk girl. Country like Towns, country like Travis. I'm a country fried junkie with a bad habit. Country like Chris, country like Gretchen. If you ain't cooking country, then get out of the kitchen. I'm a country like Hank, 1, 2, and 3. Dropping like peaches from the family tree. Country like women, whiskey and wheels. Yeah, I know in this country cause I know how it feels. Country like Waylon, country like Willie, country like lightning and a hillbilly. This is my country, my damn country. Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country. And it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you can't sing along to Tearing My Beer, then don't forget your coat and get the fuck out of here.
You're going the wrong way.
Voices whispered through the door. Now I'm not sure if anyone is home to do the talking. 'Cause lately I hear voices more and more. Should I come home or should I go crazy?
What the hell was that?
Make up your mind. If you love me, then think it all over.
The video is locked.
Done and find another in my heart and on my mind. Then I awake and hear my voice.
2 million recipients through the Electronic Benefits Transfer, or EBTs, for November. The U.S. Department of Agriculture a week early advised states to delay EBT payments to about 42 million Americans until further notice. Why? 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 Move! I really want to honk. You're an idiot! Go back to New York. Stay home. Now, if it's in fact that EBT's benefits is not released, chances are those working families will be pushed toward the charitable food system already under stress, said Jennifer. Why are you freaking breaking? Go!
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Holy fuck. This shit's icy as fuck, dude. Holy shit.